In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Microsoft Teams with Google Calendar. This integration can be incredibly useful for managing your schedule seamlessly across platforms, allowing you to keep track of your appointments and meetings all within the Microsoft Teams environment. Let's dive right in and get started. First, open up Microsoft Teams on your computer. You can find it by searching in your applications or launching it from the Start menu if you're using Windows. Once Teams is open, look at the left-hand sidebar where you'll see various icons. One of these will be labeled Apps. Click on Apps to proceed. Now a search bar should appear. In this search bar, type in Google Calendar. Teams will then search through its add-ins and apps to find Google Calendar for you. Once you see it pop up in the search results, go ahead and select it. After selecting Google Calendar, you'll notice there's an option to add to a team or add to chat. Choose the option that best suits your need. If you want calendar functionality available in a specific team channel or chat, pick the corresponding option. At this point, you'll need to sign in with your Google account to establish the connection between Teams and Google Calendar. Enter your Google account credentials when prompted, and then make sure to grant the necessary permissions that Teams will request. These permissions are crucial because they enable Teams to access your Google Calendar, so don't worry, it's part of the setup process. Once you're signed in and permissions are granted, congratulations, you've successfully integrated Google Calendar with Microsoft Teams. Now you can view your Google Calendar directly inside Teams, making it easier than ever to manage your schedule without needing to switch between different applications constantly. This integration is especially helpful if you're working in a collaborative environment where keeping track of shared schedules can often become a hassle. By having Google Calendar within Teams, you ensure that your workflow remains smooth and connected, enhancing productivity and efficiency. If any of your team members are also using Google Calendar, it's a great way to ensure everyone stays on the same page regarding project timelines and important meetings. To sum up, by integrating Google Calendar with Microsoft Teams, you've just streamlined how you handle your schedule, keeping